Alright, in order for us to use the smartboard system to create lessons, we need to use a special piece of software called Smart Notebook. To open Smart Notebook, you can go ahead down to your Start menu, click on All Programs, go down to Smart Technology, and then pick Smart Notebook 11. This will open the notebook. If it's the first time you've opened it, it'll bring up a document that shows you things that are new. If it's not the first time, it'll open up a blank document. Once you have opened the notebook, first thing we're going to do is take a look at the toolbar at the top. Now, the toolbar used to look like this. Now that we're in Smart 11, it looks like this instead. Slightly different looking, but it does all the same things. This back button lets you go back a slide. This forward button lets you go forward a slide. This back arrow lets you undo something you've done. This right arrow lets you redo something that you've just done. The plus is where you add a page. The X is where you delete a page. This is where you can open a new file. This is where you can save the file you're currently working on. This button, View Screens, gives you a bunch of options for how to view the slide. We'll talk about that in a minute. If you have copied something previously that you'd like to paste in, you can always click the clipboard here to paste, or you can right-click and choose Paste instead, and it'll paste it into your slide. This camera allows you to do screen capturing, which again we'll talk about later on. This is for your document camera. If you have one installed, you can click the button. It'll show you what is being shown on the document camera at the time. Next to that we have measurement tools, which again we'll get into in a little bit. You have your select arrow. You have your shapes tool and some other tools from here, which again we'll get into a little bit later on. Second row, this one would delete something. Right now we can't choose it because there's nothing picked. If I was to pick, say, the head here and click on delete, now it goes away. Oh no, I want to undo that, so I'm going to go undo. If I choose, oh no, I liked it better that way, I can hit redo. That just does and undoes the things that you've done. Next to that, the thing that looks like a shade is in fact a shade. You click it, it blocks the whole screen out. You can grab the circles and resize that shade. What's nice about this is that you can use it to hide certain sections of the slide so your students don't see the entire slide all at once. If you want to close the whole thing, go ahead and click on the red X and it goes away. Next to that is your table icon. Let me add a new page. We can show you how the table works. Table will allow you to choose how many cells you want. Let's try 3 by 2 by 3. And then into each cell you can actually type some text. Or you could insert a picture. Just grab a picture real quick, throw it in there, maybe some oranges as well, and go from there. And then you can resize your table. You can resize it however you want to do that from there. Within that you can, if you have multiples, merge the cells. You can shade it so that they can't see it until you choose to click and allow it to be seen. It can be useful for interactive, doing some games, things of that nature as well. So let me get rid of that. We'll jump back a page real quick. Next to that is your Smart Exchange. Smart Exchange is where you're able to download or upload Smart Notebook files that you've created so that people can use them. This is what Smart Exchange looks like today. Some of these are free, some of them cost money. Data analysis and probability mean, that's a premium resource. You can click that. It's been created. It's completely interactive, but it's also $15. There's also some free ones like Vowel Sort we can take a look at. You can download it. It'll have a bit of an interactive game to it. Looks pretty neat. You can check that out.